Hey guys, this is Singh. A lot of people been asking me how do I use Ichimoku and other stuff to do 60-second trades. So I decided to make a video for it. Well, before I take you to any details of my strategy, I just want to give you a disclaimer that this strategy suits me, it might not suit you. So use it at your own risk. Tweak it if you have to, remove indicators or add indicators as you like to. So let's begin. Let's begin. So basically, first thing first, indicators. I have many of you recognize these indicators anyways. So I have Ichimoku on my chart, and then this regression COG. Well, there is the same channel. There are a lot of channels with the different names who appear same, but regression is something which I like over all others. There is MBFX and others, right? If I put MBFX on it, you will see a different thing, different angle of these channels. I don't like them. So regression works for me. Maybe MBFX will work for you. So try it at your own. Uh, so I have Ichimoku, regression, Bollinger Bands, VC, value chart, stow. These are the main indicators on my 1 minute chart, and then on my 5 minute chart, you have same indicators with the added indicator of support and resistance provided by David. Big thanks to him. Uh, that's it. Those are only my indicators. I'll show you my indicator window. So, oh yeah, I have candle time, Ichimoku, regression, Bollinger Bands, value chart, and stow. Now, all the settings are standard except Bollinger Band. It's 52.2. Why? It suits me. You can use something else, whatever suits you. And then stow is, as you see on the chart as well, 14.33. And that's it. Sorry, excuse me. These are the stuff I use. And I have two charts here, as you see, 1 minute and 5 minute. I always have those two charts. 5 minute adds additional confirmation to my 60-second trades. I will explain first 60 seconds and then 5 minute trades I take on 1 minute chart. So just bear with me, excuse me. So the main component of my chart is Ichimoku. All these others are their extra confirmation. What drives me to take a trade is Ichimoku. So let me show you something. Let's take out, actually, yeah, let's put my standard on this. Let me make it big. And let me remove those support and the resistance. And let me put only Ichimoku with nothing else but lines. Whatever line. Actually, Kijun, I like this pink, and Kijun like blue. Chiku can be white. I don't need it that bigger. Actually, dotted. And let's actually take out. I just want to show you something. How I see Ichimoku. So let's take out char as well. Let's make it none. I just want to show you how I see Ichimoku. So I'm just gonna let the Ichimoku be there. Okay, actually, let's put Ichimoku's other components as well. I forgot to do that. Up Kumo is whatever like this and this. Okay, so that's Ichimoku. Now you see I don't have any candles on here. So how I read Ichimoku? Okay, so you guys can watch Charles Trader's videos for extra explanation. This is how I read these Tenkan and Kijun lines, not Cloud, not Chiku, only these lines. These lines are very critical, and I've been trying to find videos which Chow Trader explained this. Maybe I didn't locate it, maybe he didn't made it, maybe he made it, whatever. So, so let's say I logged in somewhere here and I saw now this line is going down, right? And this is flat. So for a fact, price can come here and be somewhere here. And if this line was here and the price was, let's say, far from this line somewhere here, and Kijun is flat, price will go up. So let's see where is the price. Bull candle, yeah, green, bear candle, red. Okay, see the price when this thing happened, price came down, and when this thing flatted, price went up. So these two lines are the magnet. Price will follow it. So let me remove price from here again so I can show you further. So then price can be up and down wherever, because these lines are flat. Price will stay in a range, it won't go far or far down. But as soon as the price moves here somewhere and you see this car in an angle and this car in an angle, price will come down, and if price goes away too much, it will retrace. But since these are in angle, price will come down again, and it will keep doing it, you see, until this point here. So let's say the price always is below the things, right? So let's say the price came here somewhere, or it got too far, right? So price will retrace back. Because this Kijun is flat, because Kijun got flat and the Tenkan got in moving, this is usually a reverse price, right? And because it's a strong downtrend, price will ignore some flatness here. Price will go down, it will keep going down, maybe here somewhere or whatever, and then it will go back eventually. This line itself tells us that price went back. Hooah! This is well, live. Something happened here. 24 pips. I don't know. Market is doing something right now. Anyways, so let's go to our thing again. So as you see, like why I'm saying all this, these lines, Kijun, Tenkan are magnets. This is support and resistance. This cloud doesn't drive price. It tells us the direction if it's above or below. It's a support and resistance, and if the price is in there, it will have to decide. If price is stuck in here, it can go up and down, any side. You can't be sure if it's going up and down. There are other things to confirm it. But these lines are magnet. So Tenkan will always follow Kijun, and Kijun will always follow Tenkan. Price will follow Tenkan. So this Kijun got flat, Tenkan got away, Kijun got stubborn, I'm not coming to you. So Tenkan will come to it, and price will follow Tenkan as Tenkan follows price. So the price will have to go up in order to Tenkan to go up. Because Kijun is saying, I'm not coming. Kijun is a bigger magnet. Kijun drives both a lot of time. So this is just an idea what I'm trying to say. I can go on and on, but whoever gets it, they will get it by me saying all this right here. So they both are flat right here. Price went up for sure. Let's see if it did actually, or I can be wrong too, you know. And see, this is a downtrend. Price retrace goes back, retrace goes back, and price here went a lot down. It went down from Tankenson got so far, and Kijun is flat, so the price retraced. So once it retraced here, the Tankenson is an angle, so yeah, a little bit down, but it will eventually go up. So because Duncan and Keegan are like brother and sisters or husbands and wives, they have to be together again. So then price got flat, up and down, up and down, up and down. See a little bit angle, so too flat. Well, it's easy to see angle after it happened because what happens sometimes angle will be forming and next candle the Kijun got flat and the angle is dead or Tenkan got flat, angle is dead. So angle is hard to locate, but if it's extreme angle, it will continue for a bit. There are other things in market to consider too, right? So then it went, see the angle, boom, boom, boom. It went like 5 pips. That's a lot of pips in a slow market, and for 1 minute, that are a lot of pips. And then that's pretty much what I want to show you right now about Tanken and Key Jensen. These things drives price, so you will have to have a good look on the distance, on the angle, how Tanken reacts. Now, like seeing these lines, I have learned a lot. Sometime I can just predict, oh, okay, so Tanken formed this thing, this will happen. Tanken is like this will happen. So by seeing them, you will learn a lot. Okay, let's go back to our both chart. Let's make it normal again or complicated, as I say. Okay, well, it's a big move right here. Whoever got lucky. Yeah. Okay. So I had a line where it was on 25, 22, 25. Let's see. Okay, right there. So, well, yeah. So let's see why somebody should take these trades. 1 minute trades, okay? This price is making my chart look bad. It was much better. I don't know how to do it again. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Okay, okay. So as you see, oh, let's remove these things. As you see, so as I said, this angle got formed. This candle, boom. This candle, boom. Third candle, yes, you can take it. You can just do a put here. If you see the angle is still there, do a put here. You will win it easily, even if it comes back. And you don't have to wait for the candle to finish. Just do a put anywhere. Now, once this candle is done, it meets a lot of my rules. The candle is in the VC, it's below the line level 6, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of oversold area or bought area, whatever. And Stow is down this level too. So this line is pretty much, I will call it. At the end of this line, I would dare to call. I would I would have taken a call for sure, and I would have lost for sure. But then the reason I would have lost because angle was extreme, and when angles are extreme, these extreme, they can drive price further a bit. But even if I lost, I know for sure, even if this can, like, I do a put after, I would do a call after this, and I lost because price went down. I will do a put here again, here, wherever I can enter. Let's imagine here. Uh, Reason, because Kijun is flat, Tankan is flat, and I this angle was formed when price was here somewhere. So until then, this was flat, and price have no reason to go down unless there was a news. If there was a news, these two lines would have came down with it. So I see no reason why the another candle will go down. Plus, I have extra confirmation. I have Bollinger Band touched here, which wasn't touched here. The outer channel of regression is right next there. Well, in the slow market, it's hard to reach to those channels, so it's okay. Blinger band will do it for me. Blinger band is not opening to outside, it's coming to inside. That's another thing. When I'm saying opening to outside, you will see this going down. Price can go down, 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 and that will happen with along with the angle of each. Even sometime angle doesn't form. Blinger band is like that. That's another signal price will go down when it opens from like this. But here it's going this, so that's another signal. And plus, if you see, the VC was below, and there was a crossover almost happening at stow. So I would have went in again, and you see it's one, but you can see, oh, it's a martingale, whatever. No, it's not. It's logic. I supposed to win here. If I didn't, I will. If I lost $10 here, I'll go 25 here, make my 10, make another 10 on it, because I know for a fact with the help of Ichi and all these other indicators, it's not martingale. It's called trading with logic, right? So that's one thing. Now, let's see some other scenarios. Again, when angle happens, you can't be sure for 60-second trades. This kind of angle, yeah, but this is like going flat and coming up, so price up and down, up and down. You can't be sure that you can take a 60-second trade. No, but you are sure for one thing: price will go down, and the 5-minute chart comes in a play here, even here. So let's say 3813. The level 3813 for the price, where I said I will call again. 3813, and where is 3813? Oh, where is, sorry, 38134, and let's draw a line. 38134. Oh, okay. So see cloud, 5-minute chart have a resistance below it. The price went, I guess, there somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, the wick is there, and with your eyes on, you can see a resistance here, somewhat. I mean support, which that indicator didn't show, or it showed and it dissipated as it repaints according to the most recent support and resistance, which will be far away, right? So now you will notice one thing. Even though this is what I like, uh, price will have to follow. Price will have to follow Tenkan, right? So here Tenkan is below the Kijun at this candle, but at this candle, Tenkan is above the Kijun. Okay, so until this candle, Tenkan was above. So what it means? Either price will go have to up, or either Tenkan will have to come down to Kijun, and Kijun got uptrend, right? And Tenkan is still flat. That's like, even if I was at here, it will be a somewhat idea that okay, Tenkan is gonna go down because Kijun is coming towards it to let it do that. Like Tenkan wasn't moving, so Kijun said, okay, let me come over you and let me take you below me, right? Same thing will happen somewhere here. Let's see if we can find another example of it right here. See, Tenkan was above, and then Kijun was, no, this is not a valid example, but you will find tons of examples like that. Most of the time Tenkan follows Kijun. Kijun barely follows Tenkan. So So we were right here. I said it will go up. The reason is the Tenkan is above, so price will have to go to Tenkan, and it was pretty far. It was like 3 pips or a lot of distance in this slow market. So these are the things I see in there. These are the things which I use for confirmation, right? So let's go next. Let's find some other examples. Okay, so let's try some other charts. RDUSD. Okay, does it? Yeah, it shows. Okay. So see this area? When I see something like this, let's take it on 5-minute chart too. And it's on the same time. So 22:25. Right here. Okay. Now you will see something. Excuse me. So price came down too much. I might not have taken a trade to this direction, like call it, because Tenkan is somehow in angle and Kijun is in angle. Plus, on 5-minute chart, Tenkan is below Kijun, like they are both in same direction. That's a no-no for me, right? However, 5-minute chart is saying Kijun is flat, so Tenkan will have to go up and price will have to move it. But who cares? I can't think that far, right? I'm trading right here, and right here it just went up, and it can come down again. So I won't take these calls, right? But once the call got too far here, it got like Tenkan is an angle for sure, but okay, here's one more thing I will show you. So the price, when I say price is too far, the end of the price plus the begin of the candle, both has to be too far. So this candle ended right where it's too far from Tenkan, but I might have taken a put here. Believe me, I might have done that. The only thing would have stopped me doing that is nothing. I would have done that and I would have lost it. Maybe I would have seen that this angle might have scared me that because Tenkan is an angle and price can go further up. But then this candle started too far from from Tenkan and went up. That's That's a really good signal. Like when a candle is starting too far from Tenkan and Tenkan didn't reach like here, usually Tenkan will go boom right here and then another candles will go up. But here Tenkan didn't do that. In fact, the Kijun is flat, still flat. Tenkan is close to it, but price is too far. I would have taken, and plus there is a cloud right there. Even if candle goes, I would have waited until like this candle closes. Even if I take a put, next candle can go up and come down, right? Cloud is a resistance right there. And on this chart, on 5-minute, there is a cloud on 5-minute too. So both clouds on 1 minute and 5-minute, you don't see that oftenly. And that's another signal that price will not go further up but will come down because Tenkan is still down, right? It shows a green candle, but the price is below this level, so you will understand it. So I would have taken a put here, lost. I will take put again here because it's meeting all my rules. It's still uh, Tenkan is still far from price. See on that two candle started too far and finished too far. If this candle came down, I would have put one my put, but then it have another signal unless this both lines got an angle upwards, then price will continue, but it didn't. And this Tenkan is below, so this chart have to correct itself according to this sooner or later. So I lost $10 here, I will put 25 there and make 10 and make my loss 10, and I'm in profit of 10 right there. And then I will wait for another trade. And then as I see, nothing happens, nothing happens, nothing happens, nothing happens. And then this thing happens. This is what 20 to 52 candle means, 20 to 50 candle on 5-minute chart. This candle. Okay, so what happened here? Let's see. Why would I take this trade? Price went, the Tenkan, the price started too far from Tenkan, ended too far. I wouldn't have taken it here. I would have taken it here. I don't wait usually for the close of the candle. When I see price went too far, I usually, price will do this, go up, go down, go up, go down, and I will know that okay, price is having trouble there. I will take a trade somewhere here or here, whatever. And then there is another confirmation. Regression channel is upwards in angle, so price will go up until the regression channel comes this. See, price goes up, and then regression come in a angle and price moving down. Okay, so same rules. It's too far from Tenkan. We'll call it somewhere here. So even the call here was a loss, not a winner. It was a loser. So, but call here will win. Somewhere here it will win. The rules are same on 5-minute. If you see the Tenkan is flat and Kijun is flat, so Tenkan will have to follow it. Plus the cloud right there. The price went in there. It can come down, but Tenkan is supposed to be in a Kijun and Tenkan is supposed to be in an angle downwards to let it come down. And that's another confirmation on 5-minute chart that price can go up. Okay, and as you see, it went up to take Tenkan near the Kijun. As I said, Tenkan and Kijun have to be together. In order to do that, Tenkan can't leave price behind and go to the Kijun itself. No, that won't happen. Tenkan will take price with it. Yeah. So price went up, Tenkan went up, they got closer, and then whatever happened there. And then a trade comes here too when this thing happened, because Tenkan and Kijun are on flat. On this candle they stayed flat. Okay, they were in angle here, so these candles were boom boom boom. I would have thought that there is a put here, and because they meet my criteria, it was too far from Tankinson and Kijunson. Tankinson basically ended too far. I would have won it if I managed to enter somewhere here. Even here I would have won it, as you see price was below. But that's not recommendable in a fast market or where the market is moving fast, because this will boom boom do something, or it will come down or up fast. And then this is a big candle. It started far from this and ended too far from this, and that's a good signal unless this continues. Okay, you will not see this flatness unless this candle starts. Trust me, watch Ichimoku, you will see. Until this candle is going up, you will see it's an angle, and that scares you. When it's an angle, it might go up there, right? But then 5-minute comes into play. If you see, this candle is what, 59, and this means end of this candle, right? So you will see Tankinson is flat here, and Kijunson is above, Tankinson is below, so price again have to follow it, and so price will have to come down. See how it came down on 5-minute chart here? You don't see that came down too much, right? But here you see. So I will see this this thing, and at the same time I'm seeing the 5 minute candle is too far. Same rules can apply to any chart frame, 1 hour, 15 hour. But the only problem, the bigger the time frame is, the bigger the U-turn can be, bigger the distance of Tenkan and Kijunsen can be. On 1 minute chart, distance of 1 pip to 5 pip is a lot of distance. On 5 minute chart, 10 pips distance is nothing sometimes. On 1 hour, maybe 30 pips difference will not be considered a far away from Kijunsen, right? So those things comes into place. So yeah, so basically reversal trades on 60 minutes, 60 seconds. 5 minute trades are in trend. I will show you those two. 60-second trades, I do reversal. Period. I don't do a trend trade unless a trend like I showed you on a Euro Audi, trend like this line formed when they overlapped each other. Then you have to be quick. First candle, no, actually, when the first candle came and this thing happened, boom, you go up. Okay. So that's pretty much for 60 seconds. I know I've been here and there. I wasn't, this is my first video, so I don't know how to, sort things one by one. So I just try to make what I'm trying to tell you guys, that these lines are a good indicators. These two lines are most important part of Ichimoku system. And as you see, this line is flat. The market is correcting itself because Tenkan will have to come closer. And when they came closer, Kijunsen went up when this like cross happened, and obviously it will go down again. So that's pretty much for 60-second trades. And I guess I will stop this video here to make 5 minute in a separate video. Thank you so much for all who are watching, and please give your comments, negative or positive. Doesn't matter. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me. I'll try to explain it again. Thank you so much.